welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today we have a Stitch Fix unboxing, and I have to confess, I did open the box already because the box was just like open a little bit, so I wanted to open it and make sure everything was okay inside before filming started. So we don't have to use our trusty rusty screwdriver today, but we will make mention of him because he does such a great job opening boxes. So not today, friend. You get a vacay. Alright, so we have a Stitch Fix unboxing. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you'd like to, there's a description down below, and then there's a referral link for you to get $25 towards your first box, and then I would get $25 as well if you use it. So it's a win-win situation. Here we go. Stitch Fix. What do you want to do first, Rachel? I don't know, because we opened the box already. I'm all thrown off. So they send you the mailer to send back what you don't want to keep from the box. They send you your invoice, which we don't look at till the end, and your Stylist note, which we read now. Here we go. Hello, Rachel. Happy Thanksgiving to you, and it's Danielle still. Hi, Deanna. I don't know where you went, but hi. I hope you had an amazing time celebrating with family and friends, and wine if you're into that sort of thing. Oh, Danielle. Yes, I am. I'm so glad to see that you were liking a few more things from your preview this time. I did. I think I picked I think 3 things. There's a string on me. 3 things from my preview, so she filled in 2 other things. I saw from your request that you were hoping for a Christmas themed box, and in the spirit of full transparency, the holiday items have been slow to roll into inventory this year due to all the continued shipping delays, but I snagged everything I could for you, so let's jump in. Thanks. Like even this is Christmassy to me, which is also from Stitch Fix. It is the pink clover. I'll have to look it up. I'll tell you at the end, and I'll tell you how much it was. But I have this in 4 different colors because I love it so much. Look at that texture. It's really soft. So yeah, even this, like, honestly, I'll probably end up wearing this on Christmas too. My husband's Christmas gathering. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. The Kaylee surplice top is a fabulous choice for the holiday season, but I saw your note about getting something red without a turtleneck, so I chose this Lush split neck. I have a short neck. Like, look at it. Look how short it is. It's about as long as my forehead. Okay. So I chose this Lush split neck blouse as an option for you as well. Try it with your favorite black skinnies and cute ankle booties for a festive holiday look. Thoughts? XO Danielle. Thank you, Danielle. Alright. And for those who are curious too, your Stylist note, it gives you different like options on how you could wear each item. And also on the app, it has tons of options on how you can wear your items. So that's really cool if you're stuck for like same old, same old. Alright, I need to get a new bag for all my stuff. You ready to see it? Here we are. There's the bundle. She's beautiful. We got some gray and that like kind of red burgundy, some green. We got some black and then some purple. Some purple's pretty. Alright, let's bust her open. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Very David Rose, and so soft. Look at it. Okay, I mean, if you haven't watched Schitt's Creek, you need to watch Schitt's Creek. It's on Netflix. That is so David Rose, and I love it, and it is so soft. Okay, this is the 9 Britain Gia Raglan sleeve knit top in gray, size XL. I mean, do I have to get it just because it's David Rose? Maybe. Alright. You, David. This is, so I would say, it's not super red. So I looked in the preview, it looks red, but this is more like a magenta-y burgundy. And even on camera, it's coming off more red, but it's for sure like kind of a more magenta color. This is the Lush Warren split neck blouse in burgundy, and it's in a size 1X, so she sized up for me because there's no stretch. So I appreciate that. And next we have, dun, 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 Love Ellie Lara button down cardigan in olive, size XL. This is kind of also like David Rose vibes, but also a little Christmassy because it's green. And I really like her. She's really soft too. She has a drop sleeve. That's cute. Next we have, I picked these because, I don't know, I have a thing for black joggers. I don't know, I mean, that's what I wear at home. This is by Boom Boom Jeans, the Maddie Utility Joggers in black, size XL. Let's see, they have a drawstring, they have pockets, they have side pockets, they have that tapered bottom. What more could you want from a jogger? Not much more. And then this one I'm really excited about. I picked this one because I don't have anything like it. It's in this really pretty purple. And it is a surplice blouse. If I can figure her out. It's a surplice blouse. But, ooh, is there any like button to keep the surplice stayed put together? I don't know. Oh, okay. This is the Kaylee Meg collared surplice knit top in dark purple. So, we'll see. I was really excited. It has like the little notch right there for the collar. But I'm not really seeing anything to keep her open. I thought she was like sewed. I thought she was sewed closed so she wouldn't bust the girls open. So, alright. We'll try everything on. Here we go. Okay, here's the top. I put on, these jeans are by Reverie. I got them from Stitch Fix too. I really like it, except for it might not stay like this because there's nothing, it's a tank top, folks. There's nothing to hold it together. It's just like open. So you really have to like finagle it. I guess you could use some fabric tape, but you really have to kind of finagle it where you want it to stay and get all the seams right. So yeah, I think that would drive you nuts. But it's shorter in the front than it is in the back. Like, it's beautiful color. I love the sleeves. I think I would have to, if I were to keep it, I would have to stitch it, which I could do that. It's a simple stitch because I do really, really like it. Here's the collar. I think it's very chic looking. It's beautiful. I really like this purple. I think it would go with a lot of things. You could wear it to work. You could just wear it on the weekend. You know, going out, whatever. But it doesn't have any snaps. So, I don't know. Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. Why wouldn't they just have a snap there? Or have it sewn? It's really pretty. It's really pretty. So, I mean, I kind of want to keep it and then just sew it. Or you could put a pin in it too, which would probably be even easier than sewing it. But then you have a giant hole in it. But like just a pin, a safety pin right there, I could do that. I could do that because I really like it. I think it's a good length. Okay, let's try on the rest. Oh, look at this color. It's beautiful. Here's the split neck blouse. I don't have anything like this either. I'm not crazy about the roll tab sleeves just because I feel like they're undone. I don't know. I like them a little tighter. The length is really nice. Let me pan down a little bit. I'll just cut my head off. That's fine. The length is nice. It's nice and flowy. Has a nice back to it. You can tuck it in. You can tuck it in, maybe. And then it still has a nice little blouse feel. It's nice. This one's nice too. I don't have anything like this one either. I think the little like white dots throughout are kind of like snowflakey reminiscent. I think this one's nice too and I wouldn't have to do anything to it. But I really love that purple. This is nice. This is nice too though. What do you guys think? Be nice. You know what? Be nice. It's always cool to be kind, as my sign over here says. It's always cool to be kind. This is a really pretty color. I'd wear it to work. I wouldn't wear this, probably not anywhere else besides work. looking in my mirror over here. Oh, it looks good with jeans. Alright, let's try on the cardigan. I'm undecided about this one, but let's try on the cardigan. So whereas I think the burgundy top might be a little too long unless I tuck it in, this one's a little too cropped, I think. I mean, I don't think I know. I know it's a little too cropped. For me, I wouldn't wear this open. I would wear it just like a shirt like that. I think because it is boxier, it's just a little bit more awkward. If it were just like a little bit more and still boxy, it would be okay. But it's really, really soft. I like the color. I like the like olive zebra print. I think is nice. Here's the back. Yeah, it just needed like another bit like this right there. Yeah. Otherwise, it's really cute. Total like David Rose-y vibes as well. Speaking of, let's try on the lightning bolt. I was gonna say zebra because I'm wearing zebra. Let's try on the lightning bolt top and the joggers. David Rose. Look at this, and it is so soft. It's that brushed fleece material, if it'll focus in. It is so soft. I'll say it again, I wish Stitch Fix gave you a discount if you keep 3 or more items. Like 15% or something, because I like the purple top, I like this, and I love these joggers. If anything is staying for sure, let me move the camera down. It is these joggers. They are so comfortable. They feel like a suede almost. Let me see if it'll say. I'll try to find what material they are after, but they have the pockets here, real pockets. They have pockets here. They cinch it at the waist. They have the drawstring. They're stretchy. I think they are so cute. So, yeah. And then this is super soft and nice. Okay. Maybe this will just be like a Christmas present to myself. Maybe. Merry Christmas to me. If I keep this and the joggers and the purple top, which I would sew or pin. Let's go over prices and see how much it's going to be. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. I honestly don't remember how much things are, so let's see. The Lush Warren split neck blouse in burgundy, $44. Here's my pile of maybes and nots. The Boom Boom Jeans Maddie Utility Joggers in black, $38. Looks weird. Okay, $38. The Love Ellie Lara button-down cardigan in olive, $48. The Kaylee Meg collared surplice knit top in dark purple, $42. And the 9 Britain Gia raglan sleeve knit top in gray, $42. So, the whole box is $214. If I bought everything, it would take $53.50 off, making the whole box $160.50. So there's that. I do have some credit. Here's the thing. I had some credit. I spent it in the Stitch Fix shop, but I'm returning one of them. So maybe I'll wait to check out until that credit gets back on my account. Because then I should have like $46, hopefully. Again, if you want to sign up, no pressure. My referral link's down below. So I don't have a $20 styling fee. I have a style pass, which they offer you randomly, and it's $49 for the whole year for free styling. So if I keep everything that I want to keep, which is, what is it? 38 plus 42 is 80, plus another 42 is 122. And then, so 122 as opposed to 160.50. So for $38 more, I would get that burgundy top and that cardigan for the whole box. And that's Stitch Fix math for you. but I don't think I'm gonna do that. So if I don't keep all three, I would keep the purple top because I don't have anything like it, and the joggers, even though I do have similar joggers. But these are very comfy. I do like that David Rose lightning bolt top, but I wouldn't wear it to work. And it's very soft. I do have that same top in a different pattern. I don't know. I have thinking to do. I hate thinking. Okay, so anyway, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like I said, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you again for watching for the second or third time. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys next time.